Hi guys, this is Schwaku7 and I'm in my basement gym and I'd like to do a unboxing video today. And this is the box, and it's a pretty long box. And this is it. It's a weight tree that I purchased on Temu.com. And this is what this video is about. It's a 2-inch weight plate tree rack with 4 barbell holders, which holds up to 800 pounds. These are the dimensions. It's 48 inches tall. It's 20.28 inches wide and 23.82 inches in depth. And the distance between the ends of the parallel weight post is 17.91 inches. And the advertisement says it's manufactured from premium alloy steel with a non-slip rubber base, weight bar holders, and designed to handle heavy loads safely and securely. It's a space-saving storage design, features 6 sturdy plate pegs, and it includes 4 barbell holders. It's for the home or gym. I ordered the weight tree on October 23rd, 2024 at 1:16 a.m. in the morning. And the delivery was by FedEx. And it was delivered to my home on October 29th, 2024 at 9:58 a.m. So it took me 6 days to receive the weight tree. Temu.com is a foreign Chinese e-commerce site that has incredibly low prices. And they're able to do that because they ship directly to American buyers, and they skirt the tariff on imported goods because currently the federal law allows an $800 exemption for any purchase that's entered into the United States. And this is what amazes me, is this box was only secure by 3 pieces of tape, yet it came intact. And I've ordered many types of exercise equipment in the past, and when I got the equipment, the box was ripped up and torn, and sometimes some of the parts were missing. But this actually came intact, even though the box was only secured by 3 pieces of tape. And all I can say to that is, will wonders never cease? My intent when I purchased this weight tree was to put it in my new spare bedroom gym, but this is too big. So what I did is I swapped out my old weight tree that I used to have by my Marcy PM 4400 home leverage gym, and I put that in my spare bedroom, and I'm going to put this next to my Marcy PM 4400. And this is the weight tree that was by my Marcy PM 4400 home leverage gym. But I don't have that much space up here, as you can see. So the new weight tree is too large, so I just moved my home extension weight tree up here. And this is what the parts look like when you take it out of the box and remove the plastic. And the package was well wrapped, and each metal part was covered with plastic. The only bad thing I can say about it so far is that it didn't come with wrenches. But I have a couple of wrenches that came with some other exercise equipment I ordered. And if you're going to use your own wrenches, it's the number 17 wrench. But these are the 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's only 4 parts, so this looks like it's easy peasy. It's only going to take a few minutes to put this together. And as you can see, this will have 4 bar holders, which is why I purchased this weight tree. I could have got a cheaper one, but 4 bar holders appealed to me because I have a lot of specialty bars. Like I expected, it's very easy to put together. There are no step 1s, 2, or 3, or 4 for assembly. You just follow the pictorial diagram. So I've attached the base support. It's just 2 bolts. Pretty easy to do. And I've attached the second base support with 2 bolts. And it's complete. So this is what it looks like. It has 6 weight posts, and I have 2.5s, 5s, 10s, 25s, 35s, and 45 plates on there right now. And it does have 4 barbell holders, which I haven't put any specialty barbells in there yet, but there it is. The only bad thing that I can say about it is that it's big. I mean, it is very big. But it won't keep me from using my Marcy PM4400 leverage gym. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.